Slow breath, red sky inside my chest. Your name written like a thread, silk touch, but the floor begins to bend. You trace my scars like fault lines, laughs off, say you're all mine. Glass on the counter, nails on my spine. You say trust me, I already crossed that line. Every time you get closer, walls crack, dust in the air. I feel plates pulling under, still I say I don't care. If I break, let me break on you. If I fall, I'll be falling through. You're my earthquake, earthquake, shaking on my feet, crashing through my ribs, till my wrists vibrate. If this kill me, I won't run, let it hit me, make me come undone. You're my one more lip gloss on your cold grin. You love every small sin. Hips on the fault zone. I step in the caves in danger in daylight. You're my favorite dead end. Every time you lean closer, time splits, rooms disappear. I hear sirens in my blood, but your voice in my ear saying stay, let the crowd